cocktail. She took me out for lunch. She's taken me out.
Hi, Deepika.
Yeah, Deepika.
Okay, now Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie, right? So, hi, yeah. So, Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie. And you wouldn't do a cameo, but apparently Ranveer agreed to do this because of you convinced him to. Is it true?
अब
Deepika.
आप किससे पूछ रहे हो भैया?
पहले Deepika से फिर
I didn't even lift the mic to answer this.
ये Deepika से उसके बाद we'll
You
come
said
to
Arjun, don't lie.
I said
No,
hi
no, no,
Deepika,
no, no,
your and Arjun's
no.
very close friend
No,
Ranveer.
no, no, no. You
ठीक
said
है,
hi,
she
Arjun.
answered earlier on my behalf, so this time I'll answer.
So this is you're being the spokesperson. Good. Arjun, give a nice
We are
quote.
being each other's spokesperson.
We are being normal people and having a conversation with you. You want to enjoy that for a change?
Absolutely, I'm enjoying that.
Okay, so let's answer the question, which is it's fun when people go out and do things on a whim without thinking so much. It was great fun that he allowed himself to be a part of it, and I think it was more because of the fact that Homie one evening had met him and just narrated this story to him and this journey, and he agreed willingly. I think in that moment to. He did a friendly appearance because of that, because of Homie's narration style. That's what it was actually, more than anybody else.
Okay, would Deepika want to comment on it now?
I have no say in the casting. Homie, do you
Deepika
want to
actually
say?
had no idea that Ranveer Singh was playing this cameo.
She had no idea I'm playing Savio also till she
Yeah,
told me.
Nobody
she
had
didn't
no
have any
idea what's
about
going
anyone
on.
in this
Okay.
film. No, I was actually, I was sitting around with Ranveer and we were chatting about this. He said, what are you doing next? And I told him the story and told him it's been cast. So he said that, but let me play the role of, this cameo role of Gabo. And he's a super guy. I mean, just too much fun. And he came to the set, we shot him in half a day and we laughed so much he stayed on for 10 days. But Deepika had no clue about it.
Okay, nobody had any clue about it. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Hello.
Hello. She's holding the mic, but
Your mic's not working.
your mic is not working, but you're still.
How difficult was it to have Nasir sir?
Oh,
and
it was very
Pankaj
easy.
in the same-
Very
He is,
easy.
he is the director of
No,
Cocktail,
I couldn't
which
hear
was
the
made in
question.
Hindi.
I'm
by the
sorry.
way.
No, it was very easy. They're both thorough professionals. They have a very different approach to their acting, and they are brother-in-laws as well, brother and outlaws. But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely, extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj, and Dimple. This is an English film, and we have done a Hindi dub with the cast themselves. So yeah, we shot it in English, and they've done a Hindi dub on it as well.
Hi, Deepika. Bhavna this side from Z News. Deepika, there are news. This discussion is for you. There are news that you have asked for 15 crore for a remake of a thriller film. How true is that?
There's a producer sitting right here. Please ask him. And I do want to say that I think the source of this information is not credible, be it the journalist or the publication that's carried the story.
Thanks.
Sorry, say that again.
आपको बहुत पसंद करती हैं, 24 घंटे आपको देखना पसंद करती हैं, बहुत लाइक करती हैं आपको, डिम्पल कपाड़िया जी.
It's actually what I feel for her. But she's been lovely. We've worked on Cocktail before. And I remember on one of the off days during Cocktail, she took me out for lunch. She's taken me out shopping. She treats me like her daughter. She pampers me, she spoils me, and she loves me and I love her. And it's an equation that I'll never be able to explain in words. It's unsaid.
No, she was very comfortable. In fact, Dimple is, I think she's extremely shy of the media, but she's completely game for anything. She's a sporting woman. She loves having fun, and In fact, in Finding Fanny, we've made her wear a 20-kilo prosthetic bottom and a stomach. And she wanted to make it 40 kilos, but I had to control her because she just loves going over the top. But yeah, she was completely game for anything. She likes having fun, and I think all of us love having fun, and that's why we had so much fun on this film.